YouTube, what's going on? Dude, Heat Ledger wants to do a quick review of the Jordan 1 Satin that came out today, August 17th. I want to show you guys the box before we start. I want to also let you know that I'm putting out a video every single week. So if you want to see jokes, you're not going to see jokes in this one. I just want to do an overview of the actual shoe. However, if you want to see jokes, past couple videos, I made sure I added many jokes. I know you guys like that. This one's going to be more so kind of just like an overview of the shoe in case you got it, you want to know your pair is legit, and maybe even just you're curious about what the shoe is like and if you want to purchase it. So, of course, this is a women's shoe. This shoe is, of course, like it's an OG colorway, so very, very sought after. A lot of guys are going after this shoe, obviously, and this is in a size 12, as you can see here, which would fit a men's 10.5. I'm just gonna make sure we can focus there, there we go. So I'm a size 11, 11.5. I'm gonna see if these are gonna fit. They're gonna be a little snug, of course, but an OG colorway. So we've seen the Satin Royals, we've seen the Satin Breads. I believe those were both men's shoes, and then the women's iteration came out last year. It was the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard, and that came out as a Satin. I think it came out exactly 1 year ago. So when people started kind of getting the buzz and the word that a black toe Satin would come out, obviously people were kind of going a little crazy. As an OG colorway, typically, you know, those shoes are gonna sell out pretty quick, and then, of course, pretty sought after, just because the material is completely different. So I don't have the black toe Jordan 1 men's with me right now to show you the differences, but the color blocking is identical. The only thing only things that are going to be different are that, you know, that Jumpman is leather. It's kind of just like embossed into the shoe, whereas here, as you can see, it's raised. It's an actual piece on the shoe itself, which is crazy. Very, very cool. Other than that, I mean, you're gonna get that satin on the heel, above as well, and then all of this is that leather. Now you have a tumbled leather swoosh, you got tumbled leather all around the toe, and then this is a flat leather here, and there's a flat leather on the toe box as well. Nike Air on the tongue, of course people go crazy when that happens, which is whatever. And then, you know, of course the OG cut, which is the high, it's not a mid. The material on this in hand right now, pretty impressed. I had the shattered backboards in hand as well, and I'm gonna say it's exactly the same. They used the exact same material, which is nice. And then I like that they use tumbled leather, although the OG men's does not have any tumbled leather on the shoe. So they kind of switched up there, which is fine. I think that's kind of cool. I mean, it's very, very subtle tumbled leather, as you can see, but then they kept the flat leather, which I like. That's pretty much how it's supposed to be. I know a lot of people wanted a tumbled leather remastered black toe. Who knows, that might happen, I don't know. But yeah, that's basically it. Size 10.5 would fit a 12. Everyone needs to size up if you are a guy. And then for grade school sizing, yes, you would also need to size up. I'll show you the inside. So let's see the tags so you guys can get a better look. I like the Jordan brand and Nike. They're trying to fight the whole like fakes thing, so they're starting to do this whole barcode situation, which is cool. That's what mine looks like, in case you want to legit check yours. I have a feeling that, of course, you know, there's a lot of replica shoes out there and they can pretty much do anything. This shoe in particular, though, is going to be a little bit harder to master for people trying to obviously pass off fakes as real, and a lot of people do that. But this shoe here is gonna be hard. If you have, I think if you have the authentic in hand, you're gonna see the quality difference. This satin, I imagine, is really hard to replicate and make exactly like the retail. I know I did, you know, the Jordan 1 Travis Scott, that shoe was the closest replica I'd ever seen in my life, which is scary. I do not recommend anyone buying that unless you're buying it from a consignment store at this point, because I've seen the fakes in hand. I did a review. If you haven't seen it, you can see the real versus fake, and it's crazy. Even in hand, I was having trouble telling you what was off about it. There's a lot of people hit me up after, they're like, dude, you're talking like these are flaws, but my retail authentic had that flaw too. And at that point, I kind of stopped responding to comments and said, listen guys, I'm sorry. I just wanted to show the two that I had in hand. I don't know what that is. The two that I had in hand, and that's it. So that's not the point of the video. That's a completely separate topic altogether, but this shoe, like I said, it's probably gonna be pretty tough to replicate exactly, so I wouldn't be too scared, especially right now. Get out there, get your pairs. They're going for a lot of money right now. So of course, you wanna legit check. You wanna make sure everything's authentic. You can always hit me up, as I say in every single video. You can hit me up on Instagram, I'll leave it down below. If you have any legit check questions, it could be of any shoe. And no, I don't charge for legit checks. I'll just tell you what's good. Obviously, a lot of people hit me up, so I don't get back to you right away. Just ping me again, and I will absolutely, I get back to everyone, so I'll absolutely get back to you on that. So that's it for the video. The black toe Jordan 1 women's, and I hope you guys got your pair. Pretty sought after, very, very fresh. The quality is amazing. I mean, the video speaks for itself, you guys can see. So that's it, they did a great job. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit it with a thumbs up, comment down below if you got them, and hit that subscribe. Another video dropping in 1 week. Take care, guys. Peace.